In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Hostinger Webmail account by adding a profile picture. Adding a personal touch, like a profile picture, not only makes your account stand out, but also adds a layer of professionalism to your communications. Let's dive into the simple process and get you set up with your new look. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger Webmail login page. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. If you're logging in for the first time or haven't saved your details, it's important to make sure they're correct to avoid any hassles. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This dashboard centralizes all your email functionalities in one convenient place, making it easy to manage your communications. Now let's navigate over to the settings. Look towards the upper right corner of your dashboard where you'll find the settings icon. This icon often resembles a small gear or cog. Go ahead and give that icon a click and you'll see a drop-down menu of options appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the profile picture option. It's typically found near the top or within a sub-menu labeled as Profile or Personal Information Settings. This is the spot where you can modify personal details related to your email account. Once you have the profile picture section open, you'll notice an option to upload a new image. This is your chance to express your style or add a visual identifier to your email account. To upload your image, click on the upload button or designated area. This action will prompt a window to appear, allowing you to browse your files. Take a moment to choose a picture that's both professional and recognizable, something you'd be comfortable with others seeing alongside your emails. It's a good idea to select a square image to ensure it displays correctly. After selecting the image you wish to use, either double-click on it or choose it and hit open. This action uploads your image into the system. Your chosen photo might take a few moments to load and appear in the preview area, so be patient and make sure it displays correctly. If there is an option to adjust or crop the photo, use this feature to ensure the best fit. Once your image looks the way you want it, don't forget to save your changes. This is a crucial step you don't want to skip, otherwise you risk losing the image you've uploaded. There should be a save button near the preview section, often marked clearly to catch your attention. And there you have it. Your Hostinger Webmail account now proudly displays a new profile picture, giving your emails a touch of personalized flair. Remember, updating your profile picture every once in a while can be a fun way to keep your communication fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the new look of your webmail.